Come on, Smokey. Oh boy. Yee-hoo! Whoa. Holy fuck.
Hey, let him sleep. Be quiet.
Why is it quiet? How did you get up there? That is not a place dogs go. Don't fall. Please don't fall. You are not a cat. You weigh 60 pounds. Explain yourself. You chose this position.